What's going on, everybody? My name is Greg Peters. You are watching the Car Passion Channel, and today is a very important day. Today is the day I'm deciding what wheels I want to put on the Miata. That's right, no more white grids. Now, there's a lot of things that go into this decision-making process. I mean, they gotta look good, they gotta be the right price, you know, but most of all, the street cred. Everyone on the internet is gonna see these wheels. They have to be perfect. So, that's why I've brought with my twin brother, Craig, to help me decide on what wheels to buy for the Miata. Craig, say hello to everybody for me. He's a little timid, but nonetheless, he has great choice in wheels, so he's gonna help me come up with some suggestions on what I should put on the Miata. Craig, you know what I like. I mean, when you're thinking new, fresh wheels for the Miata, street cred, track time, I mean, what's the first thing you think of? You know, the RPF1 is a very practical wheel. It's lightweight, it's reasonably priced, but they don't come in 15 by 10, and I really want 15 by 10s. In fact, they don't even come in 15 by 9s. They're like from the dark ages. It's a great wheel, but not for me. Craig, what else? What else could we think of? Okay, Avanti Storms. I do believe those come in 15 by 9, but not 15 by 10. Again, it is a really cool wheel. Kind of a lot of people have them, but no 15 by 10, so it doesn't cut the mustard. Okay, Workmeisters. Now, I thought about this wheel for a very long time. In fact, I couldn't really come up with a reason not to buy them, aside from the fact that they're a little expensive, and it's more of like a show wheel. It looks really cool, but when I see them, I don't think like, oh, those wheels belong on a track car. And I want like a lot more of a track-looking wheel. So, I mean, what is even left? Can you think of anything else? Ah, 949 Racing, 6 ULs. They come in 15 by 10. It's a very track-oriented wheel, nice and lightweight. But there's a problem with the 6 ULs. Everybody has them, everyone. It's a great wheel, and therefore everybody buys them. And I don't want something that everybody else already has. I want something that's unique enough. I know it's a lot to ask for on a Miata, but I just want something unique. Is there anything left? Am I ever gonna find a good wheel for the Miata, Craig? You're right. He's a genius. It's the perfect wheel. 15 by 10. Not very many people have them. It's totally a track wheel. It's perfect. So they are a set of Jeanblod Racing Series 500s in 15 by 10 plus 25 on all four corners, wrapped in 245 40R15 Hankook RS4s. It's one of the meanest street setups for a Miata, in case you couldn't tell from that video, which by the way was shot by my friend Derek, YouTube and Instagram, DERKM. Be sure you check out his stuff. It's linked down below in the description. The dude does wonders for cinematic car sequences like you just saw, way beyond what I'm capable of with my feeble equipment and mind. I can teach you guys how to torque a bolt, but that stuff is like beyond me, the artistic stuff like that, and it came out awesome. I really just wanted a wheel that I haven't seen before on an NA in 15x10 on 245s without flares or cut fenders. They're all under stock fenders. Yes, it did require a decent amount of fender work, which was already done for my previous setup, but don't think you're just gonna bolt that setup on without any modifications. It does require some work. If you didn't get enough of the car in that short clip, don't worry, I'm gonna be blowing it up all over Instagram and YouTube and Snapchat and everything else you could possibly imagine. So there's plenty of content coming out in the future. I got the Getrag swap, I got Miata's Laguna Seca, more stuff that I'm not going to tell you about yet because it's a secret. So I will see you very soon in the next video. Peace out.